You're going to love the 2004 Toyota Sienna. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, a roof rack, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.